New problem of the day on leetcode, which name is minimum number of taps to open to water a garden. 1326 problem on leetcode. So problem says there is a one-dimensional garden on the x-axis. The garden starts at a point 0 and ends at point n. There is a n plus 1 taps located at 0, 1 up to n. So there is a range is given in this question. So the tap can water the area I minus range of I to I plus range of I. So we have to return the minimum number of taps that should be open to water the whole garden. If the garden cannot be watered, return -1. So look at the example. Is the example if n equals to 5. Here is the ranges of that particular index. If index equals to 0, so I minus range of I minus range of 0 -3 to I plus range of 0 +3, and for this index equals to 1, I equals to 1, I plus range of 1 is 4, I plus 4 maximum 5, and 1 minus 4 minimum -3. So that you can see. Here is another example. If all ranges are 0, then return -1. Okay, so here is the approach for this problem. The intuition, you can see the intuition, and we will use the greedy approach to solve this problem, because here is the repetition. It means हमें थोड़ा करके आगे ही का सोचना पड़ेगा इस प्रॉब्लम में. It is like a DP plus greedy. So you can see the explanation and optimization, how we can optimize this and why we are using the DP in this question. Here all have written in this PDF, and here is the code of this problem. Here is the code for this problem also. You can see this code, and the time complexity and space complexity is often for this particular code. I will write another code which will be better for you. So let's start the code. Firstly, we will make a vector of int arr of size n plus 1 comma 0. Then we will apply a loop for int I equals to 0, I less than ranges dot size, then I plus plus. If ranges of I equals to 0, then continue. Otherwise we have to find the left. In left equals to maximum of 0 comma I minus range of I minus ranges of I. Then what you have to do, then arr of left is equals to maximum of arr of left comma I plus ranges of I This is done. Then we will initialize int end equals to 0 into far can reach it. How far it can reach, I am initializing it as far equals to 0, and also int answer equals to 0. Then again I will apply a loop for int I equals to 0, I less than arr dot size, also and if less than n, then I plus plus, then n, then I plus plus. No, and less than n, then also this one, and equals to far. Then answer plus plus, and again initializing a loop while of I is less than arr dot size, and then I less than equals to end. Then far equals to maximum of far comma arr of I, maximum of far comma arr of I, again plus plus. This is done. Then if and equals to far, then return -1, otherwise return answer. So let's run this code. Working perfect. Let's submit this code. Working perfect. Here is the batch that I gain, better than the 93.02% of C++ users. So here is the complete code. You can see the PDF also. Let's discuss about the time complexity and the space complexity. So time complexity for this solution will be O of n. O of n, actually O of n, basically in Botch case it will be O of n. The space complexity is O of n, because vector is taking a space, that's why the space complexity will be O of n. So you can follow this PDF also. Here is the complete intuition and approach and how we can optimize this code. Is I have completely written this PDF for this code. Okay, so that's it. Is the graph how different languages was taking the time for this question. I have solved 3 languages in this, that's why. So okay, let's subscribe this channel and like this video.